Uh-oh, there's the mom. Uh-oh. Oh, there's another nail.
Yeah, there's two.
Uh-oh. Holy shit. I guess that's probably all you need to do. Yeah, you don't need to take any more off. Just start getting that crap out. Well?
Is that a baby?
Yeah.
I don't know, is it?
Yes.
This is how you get salmonella.
Do you want a Vancouver or something? Carry him up.
Where should I put it?
Just drop it. Well, the baby can fly. What the? Oh my God.
Another one.
I know.
Look at you landed. She's in the grass over there.
Fly or die. It's only two?
Is that it? There's another one. It just flew out. Yeah. Thank God Dad's eyes were... Did you see it fly out?
Yeah. There's one in there.
Oh my God. There is?
Yep.
Hello.
Oh, there it is.
Yay.
Oh, they can fly.
Is that it?
Any more?
Holy.
No wonder.
I don't think the house will get wet if I use a hose.
I don't know. I wouldn't do that.
Should I use the air?
Yeah, is that
Yeah.
it? No more, right?